Rafael, you're the winner. Congratulations. What's the importance of this victory?
Thank you so much. I'm so happy if I win this tournament. I can't say anything. I'm so happy.
After the win in Team Besson this year, and now winning this tournament, what do you have more to win?
I think this one tournament,
Was difficult and was important to win.
more important and more difficult. Yeah,
What about the future? What do you expect in the future?
I want to play in pro tennis, win a Grand Slam, maybe Masters.
What do you think about Portugal?
It's a good country. It's so good tournament. All good.
And last question: what do you want to dedicate this title to?
Sorry,
You want to dedicate this victory to whom?
to my coach, to my sister and my coach and my one more coach in Russia. I want to say thank you to everyone, to my family, to the organization. Thank you so much.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.